What questions are creditors allowed to ask at the 341 meeting? If you are preparing for your 341 meeting of creditors, you might be wondering what kind of questions creditors can ask. This meeting is an important part of the Chapter 7 bankruptcy process, and understanding it can help you feel more at ease. At this meeting, creditors have the chance to ask you questions about your financial situation, but there are some limits to what they can inquire about. The meeting is led by the bankruptcy trustee, not a judge. You will be answering questions under oath, which means it is important to be honest and clear. Creditors can ask about your assets and property, including any items you may not have listed in your bankruptcy paperwork. They may also want to know about your debts, including the types and amounts of those debts. Another area of interest for creditors is your income and expenses. They want to get a better understanding of your overall financial condition. Be prepared to discuss any recent financial transactions as well. This includes things like transfers of property or cash advances that you may have made before filing for bankruptcy. Creditors might also ask how you plan to handle secured debts, which are debts backed by collateral. They could seek clarifications on any statements or omissions in your bankruptcy documents. Additionally, creditors may inquire about any potential future inheritances or income that could impact your bankruptcy case. It is important to note that while creditors can ask these questions, they cannot use this opportunity to harass or intimidate you. The bankruptcy trustee is there to oversee the meeting and can step in if questions become inappropriate. The trustee will also ask you a standard set of questions to verify the accuracy of your filings. This includes confirming your identity, whether you have read and understood your bankruptcy documents, and if you have properly listed all your assets and debts. To prepare for this meeting, make sure to gather the necessary identification and documents. Be ready to answer questions about your financial history honestly and clearly. Remember, the purpose of this meeting is to allow creditors and the trustee to verify your financial disclosures and determine if there are any assets that can be used to repay creditors. So, as you get ready for your 341 meeting of creditors, keep in mind the types of questions that may come up. This knowledge can help you feel more confident and prepared as you navigate this important step in your Chapter 7 bankruptcy process.